All right, guys, I just wanted to wish you a happy Monday and just give you a little motivation boost this morning. As you're starting this week, things to just really focus on and think about is how do you want this kind of day to go, number one, and how do you want the week to go? Like, try to project some goals. Like, you might say that I'm going to watch all the lessons within this category this week just to get an overview, and then maybe I'm going to just do a couple of assignments from each one of them scattered through the day. I know we're all busy, I know we're working on different things, but if you're real busy, if your mind is telling you that I got to be busy because I'm trying to find a job and I got to get work, you have one option, and that's to work on your portfolio and improve upon your assignments and just work ethic and everything else. This is going to be very important as studios are more and more looking for artists all the time. And I just want to encourage you, don't procrastinate today. Just find those moments in the day, even if it's for 30 minutes that you can give. You have 30 minutes. You can do that today. You can find that time just to go to Silver Drawing Academy, just look at a video, find a video. Depends on what level you want to work on. Maybe you want to challenge yourself, work on a drawing drill and give yourself that ability to do that. Maybe you want to jump on in the community and see if there's anything there that's just inspiring you from what people are sharing and commenting on, and just give yourself that little moment today. This is what it's all about. Don't procrastinate. Keep working towards that goal that you have in mind. Again, it might not come this week, it might not come next week, even if it comes a year from now. Every time you work towards these things, it's going to make you that much better. So that's what I want you guys to do today and this week. Just give it a try. Just get in the mindset, get focused. Why I say look through the videos, just to get inspired, just to hear something. Don't put any pressure on yourself. Just do it. That's the most important thing. All right. Make it a great week, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Take care.